Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Debit Card. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts and best practices of using a Fidelity Debit card. First, let's start with the basics. A Fidelity Debit Card is a type of payment card that allows you to access your Fidelity account to make purchases, pay bills, and get cash. The card is linked to your Fidelity account, and when you make a transaction, the funds are deducted directly from your account. To get started, you need to have a Fidelity account. You can open one online or by visiting a local Fidelity branch. Once you have an account, you can apply for a debit card. This can be done online, by phone, or in person. When you receive your debit card, you will need to activate it. This can be done by calling the phone number on the back of the card or by logging into your Fidelity account online. You will also need to set up a PIN. This is a 4-digit code that you will use to authorize transactions. Using your Fidelity debit card is easy. You can use it to make purchases online, in stores, or at ATMs when you make a purchase. You can choose to use your PIN or sign for the transaction. You can also use your card to get cash at an ATM, or to pay bills online or by phone. One of the benefits of using a Fidelity debit card is that you can earn interest on your account balance, and you may also be eligible for rewards or cashback on certain purchases. Additionally, Fidelity debit cards often come with zero liability protection, which means you are not responsible for unauthorized transactions. To manage your Fidelity debit card, you can use the Fidelity mobile app or log into your account online. From here, you can check your account balance, view transactions, and set up account alerts. You can also use the app to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, or to report a suspicious transaction. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to keep your Fidelity debit card in a safe place, and to never share your PIN or account information with anyone. You should also regularly review your account transactions to ensure there are no unauthorized charges. Overall, a Fidelity debit card is a convenient and secure way to access your Fidelity account and make transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Fidelity debit card and manage your finances with confidence.